Khusus ni Februari tegane kalong kancing pentip nam ta kitu kibakwa ban tab admission hapo Saint Mary's College nam ta ka kurs B.Ed yung usnam arjar sao te ka form kin sa ai haka nyeu trik Jun and Thursday 9 June, Tuesday 7 June and Thursday 9 June 2022. Only 300 form will be issued. Tang lai spa tadi ki form on I. Tila da lut no tang ka new tarik mut ba fla du kinom I show ye ki form. Mau mo kin I tang lai spa tadi ki form tila da kin lut no ka new tarik mut ba ha khnai tarik don show don kam show ban lek. During office hour between 9:30 am to 12:30 p.m. and 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Hakini por long tray khnai sitang hadu khar sitang dan sa shibaji hadu sawaji. Ikut video banra the original mark sheet of the last examination original banra need to be produced before taking the print form. Hapo official form banra but original mark sheet ban pen I but kin sa ai la da primra mat pinum kinum yo. Cost of the preliminary form and admission test booklet is 300 mo kan mau kari lai spa tingka kin ai tang lai spa tli form bra eka original mark sheet jong pi jong ka last admission la ka deka jong ka degree ne de jong ka master ru tama bra be jong ka final mark sheet. Enclosure to be submitted ikut video submit mat ka form kilong ka mark sheet SC/ST OBC certificate net certificate if net pass lada video bila pass ya kan net bila submit general medical certificate ya kan ngam tip nek no kan general medical certificate ya ban submit ya kan eru. Then 5 the last day for submitting the form is Wednesday 15 June. Last day kan day khat santri June AJFR kan stang hadu sau PJ. Candidate in the general category with at least 50% marks goodbye ki general kadai 4% marks nam ta ki SC/ST kadai 100% fees. Candidate who will be admitted in the course first semester will be required to pay the following fees online. Mo kini ki bala yo ban admission hapo ka Saint Mary's tang ka first semester kadai 100% hajar nam ta ki nehu student mari ki non nehu student kadai rupo hajar tang ka first semester mo kamut sisnem kadon a semester tekan poi nam ta ki nehu student kan poi kumno 100% kadai po hajar kan poi haka sisnem mamo khandai po hajar haka sisnem nam ta ki nehu student nam ta ki non nehu student kadai silak ar po hajar. Importance: check your roll number before entering the examination hall. Okay, to every candidate to bring along the recent passport size photo. Itu pinsa pulih bah anda pilih like dan share kata form. The detail for the written test roll number will be put up on 18/6/2022. The personal interview name will be put up on 18/6/2022. Roll number akan buat terus ni, nam tak personal interview akan buat terus ni. Okay. Written test kan day khat Patrick June Shipo do khat RBJ hapo Saint Mary's College Teacher Education. Personal interview kadai Arpo berabsen June Monday Saturday nanya menwat Saint Mary's College Teacher Education. Dai kinu nu kwa ban sim admission hapo Saint Mary's tesa kan mau ban lej kini tarik bapli kan mau ban ai tang lai spatli ki form tang kini jing putip Lisbon.